Hello traders. Just want to take a quick look at the SPY with you. Yesterday I went to cash on this bearish engulfing candle after the doji signal the day before, making it a left-right bearish signal. And I decided that even if that wasn't confirmed today, I wanted to go ahead and get out of the positions I was in and give the market a chance to settle. Turns out that was a good idea because the market opened significantly lower this morning, and I had put some levels that I thought it might go to up on my chart here. The first one being this early resistance from earlier in May that was around 163.70. Market came down to 163.94, so pretty close, and then was bought back up all the way up to the 80 MA. But I note that we couldn't stay above the 80 MA. We pierced through it, but we couldn't close above the 80 MA. So that tells me that today could have been simply digestion of yesterday's move and just a slowing of the entire move down, because when you look at yesterday's move down and you add this morning's open to it, that's quite a big move down, and this might have just been digesting back to the halfway point until it carries back on its merry way downward tomorrow and possibly for the next couple of days to this perhaps first retracement, Fibonacci retracement line from the November low I have here at 161.06, and I have this line in here, and you can see that that's also a level of support that we bounced through on our way up. Then I also have the uptrending line from the uptrending channel that we have been in since November, and you can see this trend line here, so that could bring SPY all the way down to there. Would have to get through the 50-day moving average at 159.03 currently. So we just have to see what happens tomorrow, but definitely still see some bearish signs here. On the other hand, that the market was bought back up almost all the way up from its entire loss today is a bullish sign. So again, we just need to wait and see. I have 3 positions on that I feel look good currently that I picked up today. One being IMMR. Love this chart. Left-right combo, big bullish engulfing. Looks great. I think this can move much higher. I'm going to have this little J-hook pattern here, and it will be taking a third wave, and we can expect the third wave to be about the same distance as the first wave. So I think that's a really nice looking setup. I also got back into Vico as it also bounced above the 80 MA and was bought right back up. I think this is also still a promising looking chart, and I like that it's still above the breakout area as well. Then the third chart I got into was Wafer. Got in just about when it was getting through this 80 MA here, and it just went on fire, and now we have this beautiful bullish engulfing candle on Wafer. So I think I'm looking pretty good in my 3 positions, but again, not really sure what the markets are going to do altogether, because they could not close above the 8 EMA. IWM closed green, but again, not above the 8 EMA. Looks like Dow, or the diamonds, did close above the 8 EMA, so that's a good sign there. The Qs also did not, so we just have to wait and see what happens tomorrow. 3 positions on, pretty light. Hope you all had a good day. Bye-bye.